Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to watch iQIYI VIP free. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you are looking to enjoy iQIYI VIP access for free, there are several legitimate methods that you can explore. So do it, first head over and open up your iQIYI app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, you can simply tap on this VIP option on the top right corner of the screen, or simply tap on the me icon, and then here you'll be finding the VIP membership. Simply tap on that, and here you can go through the offers by simply selecting one of the options and simply tapping on join now, and from there you'll be able to access free videos. So you can also occasionally run for promotions where downloading the app and scanning a QR code grants free VIP access, or you can also participate in iQIYI events and giveaways and referral programs as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.